Follow these steps to install your Greenlight Engage combo in your glass front vending machine. You will need your Greenlight Engage combo kit, a Phillips screwdriver, and an 11/32 nut driver. Make sure your machine is powered off. Before plugging in the antenna into the back of the Engage combo, install it on the top of your machine. Depending on your machine, locate the hole on the top of your machine to install the antenna. Put the cord of the antenna through the top hole, leaving just the antenna on top. Now, take the nut and run the wires through it so you can screw it in the cabinet, under the antenna here, securing it in place. Make sure the antenna wires go behind the power box. We do not want them to get caught in the door. Now find your combo device and connect the MDB cable to the back of the card reader here. Connect the antenna here and DEX harness securely here. Now remove your bill acceptor. You'll need to remove the four 11/32 nuts holding them in place. You will need to keep these nuts. After removing your bill acceptor, remove 4 Phillips screws so that you can remove the bezel, 2 screws up here and 2 down at the bottom. Set the bezel aside so you can attach the Engage combo device. This black mask is for American bills. The clear one is for Canadian bills. Remove this small Phillips screw on the back of the Engage combo device and be sure not to lose it. Put the black mask on for American bills and secure it with the small Phillips screw. This mask helps direct bills where they need to go. When attaching the Engage combo device, you want the cables connected to the back of the combo coming out of the openings on the sides. Place the combo on top of the bill validator. Make sure the cables come out here. Use the 4 Phillips screws to attach the Engage combo onto the bill validator. Now install the bill validator into the machine with 4 11/32 nuts here. These nuts are the same ones that you removed before and set aside. There are 3 connections coming from the Engage combo. In most cases, you will only utilize the male plug. Plug it directly into the female connector coming from the control board. Make sure it clicks into place. This connection transfers sales data to the Greenlight website. The last connection is your MDB connection, which provides the power and data to the Engage combo. Your kit may have come with 2 separate parts, a NPC cord which plugs directly into the back of the Engage combo, and the MDB cord which connects to the NPC cord. Now take the male connection from the ePort Engage combo and plug it directly into the female connection on your machine's control board. Note, this must be the first MDB connection plugged into the control board. If other MDB connections are plugged in, like your coin mechanism, please remove them before connecting the Engage combo. Now find the female connection of your Engage combo MDB and plug the male connection from your bill acceptor harness into it. Then, take the bill acceptor harness and plug in your coin mechanism. For more assistance, email us or visit VenNetUSA.com.